Hey there, F-16 Thunderbird pilots. For today's flight, we brought out the F-16 Thunderbird. My buddy Jack and his new girlfriend Jill brought this for me, so we're gonna call it Jack and Jill F-16. This is gonna be a maiden flight. This is gonna be my first 6S EDF. I'm running a 4000 6S, and I'm gonna run her and take off on just AS3X. See how she does. If I get into a pickle, then I'll hit safe. But this is gonna be my first 6S. Hope it goes well. 70mm EDF F-16. Here we go.
Motors armed.
Okay, here we go. F-16. Maiden flight. Shit takes off pretty short, no?
Probably most of these flight stuff does.
Probably gonna be good right there. Okay, you ready?
Sure you steer it straight.
Okay, here we go, taking off. There it goes. Yeah, we are up. It is pitching up. Trims pitching up. I need some right, pick on my gear. Pitching up. Okay, let's get a fast pass. Full throttle. Yes. How's the roll? Nice. There we go. Low pass. Yeehaw. Oh, she flies great, Steve.
How's it feel?
Feels great. Okay, I'm gonna try some approaches. Gear down. Okay, coming in. Coming in. Coming in. Beautiful. Nice. There we go. Thanks, Steve. Woo! We got it. Ah, that flies great. Beautiful. I cut that flight short. It's her maiden flight, so I wanted to see the landing approaches, and that approach looked so beautiful, so I didn't even want to like take off again. That was awesome. Flies great. F-16 Thunderbird. She is back. Jack and Jill. Look at that. Woo. Back to base. Oh, second flight of the F-16 Thunderbird. Okay, got some focus on the runaway. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Take it off. There it goes. F-16. Gear up. Nice. Let's get a low pass. Full throttle. Beautiful. Big loop. There it goes. Way up there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Nice. Trimmed good. Flies great. Woo! Nice. All right, Lanny.
Time expired.
Lanny. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Let's go around. Okay, coming around.
There you go.
Okay, we got it right there.
You got it. Back off on the throttle. Doing good.
Right there.
You got it. Beautiful. There.
Beautiful. Oh, got a little wind scrape. Woo. She's back. There it is, folks. Second flight. On the landing, I landed pretty good, but I hit the steering too sharp a little bit, and it scraped the missiles a little bit, but nothing serious. But that was awesome. Great flyer. These batteries only have like one charge on it, so they say that after a few cycles you're gonna get the full capacity of the pack. So that's barely the first cycle on that pack, so hopefully the next one should go a little faster. But other than that, man, it's beautiful flyer. It's wonderful. There you go, folks. There's your flight for today. Jack and Jill flew great. The F-16 Thunderbird by Eflite. I got 2 flights in. Had a beautiful landing the first flight. Second one I got a little wind scrape, but it wasn't too bad. Bringing her back home, so it's awesome. Flies great. Here at the field. Beautiful day, sunny California. Out here, soaking up the sun, flying some planes, having some fun. All right, folks. See you in the next one. Jack and Jill's back home. All right, I made it back home. I just wanted to share with you a little tip that I did for the wheels, because I heard of these wheels, they have this plane has a long rollout. So I looked on YouTube, different tips, and I heard someone say use felt for the wheels. So I ordered some from Amazon. They're like little felt washers. You can see them, and it helped a lot with the rollout. Look at that. They still spin free, but not as fast without them. I just want to share that tip with you, and if you have that problem with the rollout, rolling out too long. But she's back home, ready for another flight. All right.